Selecting the ultimate gaming handheld device is no easy task, and here's why. In the realm of portable PC gaming, things have taken an electrifying turn in recent months. It all started with Valve's groundbreaking introduction of their gaming beast, quickly inspiring Asus to join the ranks. And now, fresh off the press at IFA 2023, we have the Lenovo stepping into the ring. With these titans of gaming tech gearing up for battle, the question on everyone's mind is, which one reigns supreme? So without further ado, let's dive right into this epic three-way face-off. Price. Now, if we're talking dollars and cents, there's a clear standout here, and it's none other than the Steam Deck. This bad boy starts at a wallet-friendly $400 for the 64GB version and goes up to $650 if you fancy the massive 512GB storage option. Plus, keep your eyes peeled because you can often snag sweet discounts on the Steam Deck. On the other hand, the Asus ROG Ally and Lenovo Legion Go are locked in a price showdown at $700 each. There's a more budget-friendly $600 version of the Asus model, which is probably similar to what the lower-tier Legion Go will cost. But drum roll please, in the thrilling price battle, the undisputed winner is Valve's Steam Deck. If you're all about getting the most gaming bang for your hard-earned buck, the Steam Deck is where it's at. Specs. We've got three contenders: the Lenovo Legion Go, the Asus ROG Ally, and the Steam Deck. They all pack some serious gaming power, but here's the scoop on what sets the Lenovo Legion Go apart. First up, the display. Lenovo brings an impressive 8.8-inch screen with a sharp 2560 by 1600 resolution and a super smooth 144Hz refresh rate. That means your games will look stunning and play ultra smooth on this bad boy. Now, battery life is crucial when you're gaming on the go. Lenovo flexes its muscle with a beefy 49.2 watt-hour battery, while the Asus ROG Ally has a 40 watt-hour one. The more juice, the longer you can game without worrying about your device going dark. And the winner in this spec showdown, the Lenovo Legion Go. With its stellar display and extra battery capacity, it takes the crown in this round, ensuring you can enjoy gaming marathons without missing a beat. Design. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of design because personal preference plays a big role here. The Steam Deck, first off, has a design that's all about optimizing your gaming experience. It's like a sleek, unassuming slab crafted to fit perfectly in your hands. Everything from the buttons to the vents is strategically placed for your gaming comfort. And the weight? Well, it's balanced just right, so your hands won't feel tired after extended gaming sessions. Plus, bonus points for being easy to open up and fix if something goes wrong. A real plus. Moving on to the Asus ROG Ally, it might not have the same sculpted edges as the Steam Deck, but it brings something else to the table: portability. It's smaller and lighter, making it a solid choice for those who want gaming on the go. Plus, if you're into a futuristic, eye-catching design, the Ally's got you covered. But here's the plot twist, folks. The new contender, the Lenovo Legion Go, takes the crown in the design department. Why, you ask? Well, it's a bit on the chunky side, which might not be everyone's cup of tea, but it's got three aces up its sleeve. First, its ergonomics are on par with the Steam Deck, ensuring comfortable gaming. But wait, there's more. You can completely detach the controllers for some multiplayer action, just like the Nintendo Switch. Second, this bad boy feels sturdy, giving you that extra confidence in its build quality. Lastly, that built-in kickstand opens up a world of gaming possibilities, like setting it up on an airplane tray table without your arms getting tired. For its incredible versatility, the Lenovo Legion Go takes the cake in the design department. So if you're all about flexibility and comfort, this one's your winner. Performance. Alright, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of gaming performance. So we don't have the exact gameplay benchmarks for the Legion Go, but here's the deal. It shares pretty much the same guts as the Asus ROG Ally, so we can use recent results to get a good sense of what to expect in terms of frame rates and overall gaming awesomeness. We're talking about some big games here, like Cyberpunk 2077, Dirt 5, GTA 5, and Red Dead Redemption 2. Now, when it comes to performance improvements, the Legion Go and the ROG Ally are neck and neck. In Dirt 5, you're looking at a solid 17% bump in performance compared to the Steam Deck. And if you're a GTA 5 fan, you're in for a treat. There's over a 100% increase in frame rate. These are the kind of numbers that get us excited, and they hint at some serious gaming potential for the Legion Go. So who's the winner in this performance showdown? Well, it's a tie between the Lenovo Legion Go and the Asus ROG Ally. They both bring the heat when it comes to gaming, and that's a win for all you gaming enthusiasts out there. Hold on to your gaming hats because the verdict is in. The Lenovo Legion Go has climbed its way to the summit of the gaming handheld mountain, and here's why. Picture this: a design that's reminiscent of the Nintendo Switch, a stunning screen that's easy on the eyes, powerhouse internals, and a beefy battery. When it comes to portable PC gaming, the Legion Go is your undisputed champion. Now, don't get us wrong, the Steam Deck and the Asus ROG Ally are no slouches. The Steam Deck brought us the revolution, but it's starting to show its age a bit. And the ROG Ally? It can hold its own in the power department, but falls short with its smaller battery. But here's the kicker. Lenovo had some extra time up its sleeve, and boy, did it pay off. They crafted a true gem in the handheld gaming world. In a nutshell, all three devices have their strengths, but when you're looking for the ultimate gaming handheld that ticks all the boxes, the Lenovo Legion Go stands tall. It's like the MVP of portable gaming right now. So if you're ready to level up your gaming on the go, this is the one to grab. And there you have it, folks. That wraps up our thrilling three-way showdown between the Lenovo Legion Go, the Steam Deck, and the Asus ROG Ally. The Lenovo Legion Go emerges victorious as the ultimate gaming handheld, but the choice is yours. Will you be snagging the Legion Go, going for the Steam Deck, or opting for the ROG Ally? Check the links in the description to make your pick. If you found this video informative and entertaining, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more tech goodness. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.